Welcome back, and now we're going to be talking to R for economics, and now we're going to be talking about when to use the in percent in command or the in operator rather than the equals equals. So if we have not applicable, so this is the NA, which is an actual thing, which just means it's either missing or not a number. If we have 5 equals equals NA, we get NA. If we have 5 in NA, we get false. So usually if we had 5 equals equals 5, so 5 equals 5, it would say true. And then if it was not true, it would say false. But instead, when it comes across equals equals NA, it just says not applicable. So we can also see this if we 23 equals equals C NA, and we get an NA false true. So it's true here, and it's NA not applicable here. If we do the same thing with the percent in command, we get true. Why? Because it's just testing if this one is true. And it finds in that set of NA 2 and 23, it says, oh, there is one in there. NA is equal to NA, we get NA. NA is in NA, well, that's true. So we can actually search for NAs in our data. So this becomes important when we're actually examining our data when we get it and trying to clean it up. So let's make a data frame with a bunch of stuff with an NA in it. So we have a pirates, and then we have how much rum they drink. So 3 bottles, not applicable, 2 and 3. So there's our data frame. So we want to look at the rum column because that's really where the interesting things are because it has the NA. So if it's equals equals 3, we get true, NA, false, true. If we try to select only the rows which have equals equals 3, what do we get? Well, we get Long John Silver, who has 3. We have NA and NA, NA, and then we have Sir Francis Drake 3. So as a result, we end up with these superfluous things coming into our data table or our sub data set. So in order to get rid of that, you can use your in, and it will go through the in and say, when was this true? Well, it was true on these ones. Okay. If we look at this and we go, boom, the in 3, and we get true, false, false, true. So NA not equal to 5, well, that's also the same as what we had when we had equals equals. Now, if we do NA in 5, well, that's false. And then we can put the not operator in front of it, and then that's true. If we just did what's inside the parentheses, we'd get false. So we can use that to select the variables that we want from our table as well. So not 3. What do we get? We get the NA and the 2, which was what we expected. And we'll see you in the next video.